I know you're tired, I see it in your eyes. All that anxiety that rules your mind. I'll be your shield when you don't feel like you got strength enough to fight. I'll stand by your side. Don't have to hide the parts of